Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can save your contacts from your iCloud to your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure that your iCloud account is logged into your iPhone. To be sure, you can simply just go to your settings, and in here you can see I am currently logged in, and in order to save my contacts from the iCloud, all you have to do is tap on your profile. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of iCloud right here. Tap on it. And after doing so, here you can see there is the option of save to iCloud, and there is the option of see all right here. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you can see these are the applications that iCloud is saved to, and in here you can see there is contacts right here, and you can see the toggle button is turned on. If your toggle button is turned off just like this, all you have to do is tap on this toggle button and turn it on just like this. Tap on merge, and here you can see now your contacts toggle button is turned on. So in order to see the iCloud contacts, you can go back and then open the contacts application on your phone. And in here you can see there is the option of list on the top left corner right here. Tap on lists. And in here you can see there is the option of all iCloud. You can tap on it, and these are the contacts that is saved on your iClouds. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can save your contacts from your iCloud to your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.